Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to crop the image on your Google Docs. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Hi friends, in this video I is going to show how to crop the image. First go to the insert option here and click on the image option here. So I just going to need to crop this particular image. So I just need this particular photo here. I just need to crop. Just select the photo. You can have option called three dot here image option and click on the size and the rotation, and you can also click on the all image option. So automatically this will appear here, and you can also rotate the image, or you can also recolor, adjust the size, whatever colorization, everything. You just click on it and right click here. You can have an option called crop the image from here. So this allows you to crop the image. For an example, I just going to crop up to my hand here. So now you can see it's on another portion. This only will be appear now. You just want to click outside. You can see now the image has been cropped. If you need to crop again, you just right click here and click on the crop image. You can also resize the portion, and for an example I just need to crop a particular portion on the top like this, and click on the image. Now you can see only the text will be appear here. You can change whenever you want. Just click on the crop image. You can adjust the size of the portion, and you can easily crop the image that you want. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.